Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I pray God's richest blessings on all of y'all and thank you for the support. Today I'm going to be showing you how I make a simple star fruit juice. Stay tuned. So here I have my star fruit and these are very sweet. I'm going to remove the stem. First I went ahead and I washed them and I'm going to be removing the stem and clean it up a bit. I have some pineapple chunks with some pineapple juice in there. I have some ginger and some brown sugar. You want to get rid of that stem and just slice it up. You can slice it small, however you want, because we're going to be blending this. And you can sweeten yours with honey or whatever you want. I'm going to be using a bit of brown sugar. Some star fruits are very sour, so you might have to add a little bit more of sweetener. This is very, very sweet. And then the pineapple is there, so I won't need that much sugar. Now I'm gonna pour in my sugar, my ginger, and I'm gonna pour in my pineapple chunks and enough water to cover all of this. And then I'm just going to blend it all up and strain it and enjoy. And that's it. It's that simple. You can use a mixture of different fruits with this, but this is just a simple star fruit juice. That ginger adds that extra kick. This is nice. As easy as that. ABC 1, 2, 3. 5 minutes and your starfruit juice is ready. The pineapple chunks and the ginger. Extra little something something. Pour it up and enjoy. Little something on it to make them look pretty. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.